Hi, if you've watched the previous video then, welcome back to the Real Beginner Friendly Web Development Guide. In this episode, we're diving into some fundamental concepts of HTML that every web developer needs to know, HTML tags and HTML elements. Before we get started, let's quickly get to know what HTML is. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it's the standard language used to create and design web pages. It uses a system of tags and elements to structure content on the web. Let's talk about HTML tags. Tags are the basic building blocks of HTML. They are used to mark the beginning and end of an HTML element. Tags are enclosed in angle brackets. For example, in the code, the letter P between the angle brackets is the opening tag, and the / and the letter P between the angle brackets is the closing tag. The text between these tags is what will be displayed on the web page. Tags define the structure of the content, but alone, they don't hold much meaning until they are part of a larger element. Now let's move on to HTML elements. An HTML element includes the opening tag, the content, and the closing tag. In our example, the entire structure is the paragraph element. Elements are what actually create and organize the content on your web page. They can also include attributes, which provide additional information about the element. For instance, the A tag used for links has an href attribute to specify the URL. Some tags are self-closing, meaning they don't have a closing counterpart. These are often used for elements like images and line breaks. In this example, the first line inserts an image and the second line creates a line break. To sum it up, HTML tags are the syntax used to create elements. HTML elements include both tags and the content between them. Now, let's look at some common and useful HTML elements. Use H1 to H6 to create headings. H1 is the most important and largest, while H6 is the least important and smallest. They help organize content and improve readability. The P element defines a block of text, helping to separate content into readable chunks. The A element creates hyperlinks. Use the href attribute to specify the URL. Insert images with the img tag. It requires the src attribute for the image source and alt for accessibility. So there you have it, some of the most common HTML elements you'll use to structure your web pages. Headings, paragraphs, links, and images are essential for creating well-organized and interactive content. But this is not the end. We'll cover more HTML elements throughout this series. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.